This year during the spring turkey season, I harvested a big old gobbler that had 6 beards. It was definitely a unique bird and probably a once-in-a-lifetime occurrence, all of which made me ask the questions, why do some turkeys grow multiple beards? Just how rare is a multi-bearded gobbler? And what's the point of a turkey beard in the first place? To begin, most all male turkeys, known as toms or gobblers, have beards that grow as they get older. A turkey beard is a tassel of thick, coarse hair that protrudes from the bird's chest. And wildlife biologists believe that a turkey beard is a visual tool used for mate selection during the breeding season, as the beard is an indication of the bird's overall health and dominance. A turkey's beard grows from a small, oval-shaped patch of raised skin known as a papilla. Again, while most all male birds have a beard, about 10% of female birds, known as hens, also grow beards, which are usually much smaller and thinner than a gobbler's beard. So what about multiple beards? Why do some toms have 2, 3, and even up to the world record 13 beards protruding out of their chest? According to wildlife biologists who specialize in studying the wild turkey, a tom with multiple beards is simply a genetic anomaly. While most male birds have only one papilla, 10% or less have several. Thus, they end up growing several beards. So there you have it, my friends. That's a quick little overview of the topic of turkey beards and multiple bearded gobblers. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.